Workers remove molten glass from the dry. Stretch it continuously to make it extend and cut into segments. Then melt the glass rod and wrap it around the surface of the iron rod. Then cover the surface with colored velvet. This is the handmade glass craft. Today we will explore a very historic handicraft factory. For everyone to learn more, the whole process of making glass pendant. As the picture appears in the factory, the production officially started. Workers first need to remove the. After 12 to 15 hours, the entire molten glass reaches 1300 degrees, and keep rotating it to change its volume. Then wrap a circle of glass around the dry pot again. Here I will tell you about the glass test flight. Crystals have no melting point, but there is a softening point, that is to say, I heat it to 600 degrees to soften it. 1000 degrees is also possible. But why heat it to 1300 degrees? The main reason is to eliminate bubbles. Make it smoother. Avoid potential cracks and risk of splitting. Okay, let's get back to the video. After 2 rounds of glass wrapping, start stretching below. The next step is a very technical process. At this time, workers need to take even steps. Make glass. During the descent, a uniform standard is always reached. After all, the glass is as soft as noodles. Too fast or too slow will result in inconsistent glass sizes. The floor is specially laid with refractory material, so glass can fall directly on it. Next, we will start cutting it into segments of uniform size. The glass seems pretty solid. This operation will not break. It seems that there will still be cracks. Broken glass will be put into the furnace again for refining. No waste. The complete glass. Workers need to undergo secondary screening to check if there are any cracks on the surface. It seems that this is not 100% possible. The pass rate is given below. Please see the details of this glass. Prepare to bundle them in batches and store them in the warehouse. Here the first step of the production process is officially completed. Glass of different colors, mainly used to make various small handicrafts. Let's move on to the next step. In the picture, the white tool is a metal iron rod coated with a release agent. Both need to be heated. After the glass reaches the softening point, start it to fall down. Then keep rotating the iron rod. Wrap glass around the surface. In ancient China, glass was not called glass, known as lioli. Glass is a kind of artificial crystal. Next, workers need to continuously roll and press the glass surface. With the constant changes, it is necessary to add more melted glass. This technology can produce various shapes of handicrafts. For example, the penguin that appears at the beginning of the scene. Giraffes can be made. Start to stick colored velvet blocks on the surface. It is also to increase the beauty. He is often seen in ceramic crafts. Then cool it in the ashes. Ashes materials prevent glass from cracking and will not adhere to the surface of excess impurities. The picture shows colorful velvet blocks. For example, the streets, handcraft pendants all contain this material. Next, let us enjoy another handicraft production process. The process is not complicated as long as your hands don't shake. After secondary firing, the color has also changed dramatically. Start disassembling the beads. It's already very solid. Slight impact will not cause cracking. Here is how to tie the pendant. Pass one end of the thread through. This is the final appearance of the pendant. Looks extra new and beautiful. Next steps show you other glass handicrafts. Colorful pattern styles. Looks really unique. The above is the whole process of making glass handicrafts. Chang, what do you think?